What's up, YouTube? This is my second video. If you saw my first one, it was an everyday carry, and at the end of that video I said that I'd be doing unboxings and it'd either be like a knife or a Zippo, and I have a feeling that this package right here is a Zippo. Got it from Bud K. Took about 2-3 days to get here, which isn't too bad, but I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it, show you guys what it is. Just to let you know, I collect these. I don't put fluid in them. You know, some of the, like if it's a matte finish or just a satin Zippo, something like that, I will take the sticker off. It just depends on the Zippo itself. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Paperwork out of the way. So, Bud K catalog. Yep. Oh, there's two of them. Alright, so two Zippos. And this one is, if I can get this to focus. If not, I'll just tell you what it is. Oh, a little bit. It's just a black crackle. And the other one I got, surprised I don't have this one yet, Anarchy. So I'm gonna do the black crackle one first. Come on, there we go. Alright. So as you can see, black crackle, sticker still on there, which is very nice. This is a February of this year. This is the type that I'll take the sticker off, just because, you know, you can get black crackles anywhere. Some of the other ones eventually down the road may be a little harder to find, and you know, I just like keeping the sticker on stuff. And then the Anarchy one, right there. So this is the one I'll probably leave the sticker on. It's a very nice lighter. Everyone's seen the Anarchy A before. Retail price $24.95, and this one was made in November of 2012. I'm sorry, not 2012, 2011. Yep. Anyway, guys, that is all I have for you at the moment. Just so you can get one last look at them. So the Anarchy and the black crackle. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I think I have a couple more Zippos coming in soon, if not tomorrow. They should be here by Monday. I have a couple Zippos and a book that I think is really cool, and you know, people that collect Zippos would definitely like it. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and continue to watch some of the upcoming videos.